my girlies, and welcome to another episode of On the Glow. We are in my kitchen today and I'm excited to share two of my favorite hydrating smoothies. They're very, very easy and quick to make. They're also filled with a lot of fiber and it helps with detoxification, so it's really good for that internal cleanse. I'm excited, let's get started. Okay, so this is one of my favorite morning smoothies. I call it Green Goddess Glow. It is so easy to make and it's actually filled with so many hydrating goodies. We are going to use a cup of papaya, and I'm gonna put that in here. I've got about I'd say two handfuls of greens. I love greens, so this is romaine lettuce and some spinach. This is Maca. Maca is from Peru. It is so good. It actually smells like butterscotch. And it actually just helps with your hormonal balance and gives you that boost of energy that you need throughout the day. It's really nice. So I tend to use this in the morning, not at night, because I want to sleep. Next up, I'll be using some matcha. It's about a teaspoon. I am going to use about a cup worth of coconut water. It's time to blend. It smells divine. Oh my gosh. So it's a really beautiful, rich color. And there you have it. This is the Green Goddess Glow. For smoothie number two, I call this a berry skin boost. It is creamy, it's very filling, it's something that I would have in the afternoon. Now you can go for a whole mix of berries if you like strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. I've got blueberries. They're rich in antioxidants, so these are good. So I'm gonna put about a cup or so of berries. Then I have a half of an avocado. This is a healthy fat. It's so good for your skin. And you know, there's just so many benefits of an avocado. So I'm gonna put half of that in there. Next, I've got some nuts. I've got a variation here. I've got pecans, hazelnuts, and macadamia. They're really good. They're filled with lots of vitamins. They're so good for your skin, for your hair. I love it. So I pre-soaked this overnight. And I've got, I would say, just about 3/4 of nuts in there. So again, it's so rich and creamy. I'm gonna be using some flaxseed. This is some grounded ones that I picked up from a store, from a health food store. So I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of this, high in fiber. Again, good for that cleanse. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of that. And then my favorite thing. This is by Rebel Kitchen from the UK. It's called milk. It's dairy-free, organic, plant-based milk. I'm gonna pop in about 3/4 of a cup in there. Here I'm just eyeing it. And then we're ready to blend. Okay guys, so this is it. I've taken it out. I'm just gonna do a little shake because it is very thick and creamy. I'm just gonna pour that in. Ooh. If you want to add more sweetness, you can put a date in there, some coconut sugar, whatever you want to do. Like, these recipes are for you to like adapt, change it up a little bit, whatever you guys like, but it's so good. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of On the Glow right here on She Connects. If you guys are keen on watching more lifestyle, beauty, and wellness content, please subscribe to our channel. And remember guys, keep glowing.